Activate Osmo Mobile 3 before using it for the first time. Ensure your phone has access to the internet and enable Bluetooth. Attach your phone to Osmo Mobile 3 and balance the gimbal. Press the M button until the system status LED turns solid green. Launch the DJI Mimo app and tap the camera icon at the top left. Search for Osmo Mobile 3's Bluetooth and connect the devices. An activation prompt will pop up in the DJI Mimo app. Enter your DJI account name and follow the instructions to finish the activation. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description.